Good morning, everybody. Happy Father's Day for all the fathers out there. I just want to give you a little update on the MG. I'm back in town. I've been out of town for about 3 weeks, and want to give you an idea of what's going on. It's been way hot in South Carolina, so I usually don't do much work. It's only a few things I want to do to it, but let's see if it starts this morning. So I'm going to spin this around and see if we can't see what's going on. I did put the valve covered gasket, the air cleaners back on, which is really sort of finishes everything off. But with the temperatures as hot as it is in South Carolina with no air conditioning, I am probably not going to be driving a whole lot lately. I did figure out some of the mistakes I made on my side molding here, and I found a British program on YouTube the other day that they were actually restoring a top, and I think if I redo this and make it follow this line and end up right here, it'll be fine. So I'm going to probably take what I have here and just sort of do it again and just have more of a radius right here. So I haven't started it lately. I just uncovered it. It's been sitting in the garage because it's been a little hot. I did go to a Cars and Coffee yesterday, and everybody wanted to know where my MG was. But so we're gonna see if it cranks. Like I said, it's been sitting for weeks. Fuel pump's clicking. Start it right up. I still have to do the fuel gauge. I have to calibrate the fuel gauge because I filled it up with fuel the other day, and it should be registering full, but there's some little screws behind here that I can reset that. So we're going to let it run here for a little bit. And as soon as I get a cool day, I'm going to take it for a drive, see if I can put at least 50 miles on it. But, it's idling good. I'll let it run in for a minute, make sure nothing's leaking. I do want to replace the hood. I'm going to replace the hood, and then I will probably sell the car. And let somebody use it who's really going to use it. I don't think I'll be driving it a whole lot, but I don't know. We'll play it by ear. Still got a few lights that aren't working properly, but the biggest thing is the hood. The hood is it's crooked. Somehow it's been jacked around, and you can see that where there's damage right up here at the top. And I just want to get a new one, and I'll paint it and put it on there. Then I think it'll look good. But it's running good and looking good, and just needs some cooler weather. It's just a little too hot driving a MGB in South Carolina in the summertime. So I'll get back with you a little bit later when we take it for a ride. But again, happy Father's Day to everybody. Have a great day and enjoy the time you have. Appreciate it.